Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, May 29th. Made it to Friday. Yay. Yesterday finished pretty darn well for me. 205 yesterday off to 12. And this morning, 15 orders going out for 191 bucks. I'll take it. I've already pulled my airplane cards, so I don't have to worry about that. Again, I'm going to use the lavalier mic. I think yesterday's sound was pretty good. I didn't have that little rabbit's foot furry thing on, so we got that on. Okay, let's get pulling here. I sent in a lot of offers, a lot of 40% off offers for cards. So I think that's what helped with sales yesterday. The thumbnail, I didn't want to fight with Gemini this morning. It just wasn't doing what I wanted to do, and it kept putting a different face up. I'm like, I didn't ask you to mess with my face. It's bad enough. You made it worse, if that's even possible. Here's that one. And I'll set that there. No, I don't want to set it there. But yeah, just like yesterday, kind of almost this week, I've been getting stuff done, but man, it feels like I'm just spinning my wheels. Every night, I make myself a list of what I want to accomplish the next day. And I've always done that. And there's these little index cards all over my desk. I don't use Post-it notes. I used to, but I don't. And, I always mark off what I've done for the day, and my lists. I've mentioned this before that I have a huge honey-do list, and it keeps growing. And it's the 10R threw me off. I have 10 or more of this card, different views of the same card, but yeah, it's just I was getting stuff done. It's just, but the list never goes away, and I'm sure that's just life. But life is like a bowl of grape nuts. The more you eat, it just doesn't go away. If you've ever eaten grape nuts, you know what I'm talking about. I have 11, at least 11. I've sold some of these over the years. Scenic greetings from this small town in Pennsylvania. I always pick them up. I always talk about picking them up. Some have sold for over 100. Some have sold for 674. And I write the number on the sleeve, so I know which one I'm looking at. And so they get a new sleeve. So like yesterday, I wanted to work in my garage, and that just didn't happen because I got sidetracked. When I edit my videos, and the last two videos I put out, I spent an hour. It may not look like it, but I spent an hour or so on each video. What's on here? CG9. So I spent an hour or so just editing the video. CG9 over here. I know you guys can't see this, and I'm not paying for an expensive video editing software. Yeah, right there. So I use what comes with a computer with Microsoft 360 is Clipchamp, and it works pretty good. I used to use the old Windows Movie Maker, and I loved it just because it was so simple. I don't need anything fancy. I just need to, if I fart on screen, I want to be able to cut that out, type of thing. And it's usually I usually pause the video recording, especially when I have to cough or something like that. And so I just use that to cut out the bad parts, maybe add a sound or whatever, clip when I'm doing my videos for road tripping. I'm just shooting it on my iPhone, and I try to keep the clips under 2 minutes, generally shorter. And I join them all together. I don't do anything really fancy, but so I saw that I wanted to put out a better video, and it's the clips I've mentioned are 45 minutes long. So I got sidetracked into having Clipchamp AI do a video, and it's still spinning. It's been about 12 to 14 hours since I did that. It's still spinning, and it doesn't look like the little line that tracks your progress doesn't look like it's moving. So I got onto that, and 6-bit. Not all of my listings are coming over to 6-bit. I want to upgrade 6-bit to be able to add like 3 extra pictures to all of my listings. And I don't want to do that. You can't really do that in bulk edit in eBay. I don't think you can do it at all in eBay like that. No, right off the bat. And I don't want to go through 47,000 listings one at a time to add those extra pictures. But I can do it in 6-bit. What is that? AH8. But yeah, it's missing for whatever reason. It's missing a whole bunch of listings. I upgraded it, or not. I didn't upgrade it yet. It's always. I have 2 of these landers called Spider, and I never know which one. There's the bottom corner. There it is. The bottom corner are different. If you're grabbing it, you could. They're here, John. Come on, John. Get it over here. There. It's weird. There we go. So anyway, 6-bit was being wonky, but I did other stuff that was kind of on the list from a couple days ago. I finished. We're late, but I got planting beans from seeds, so I'm probably late on that. But I guess as long as you get them in the ground, sometime in May, hopefully they'll sprout and grow. And what I did, I use these. I don't have a really garden area. I'm using buckets. I'm using some big long planter boxes that have just been sitting there for years. I tried carrots in those, but I got these things that hang off. They're like hanging baskets, but they clip on the side of your fence. I have a vinyl fence, and I don't know if I can pull this up on a video or not. So I'm trying it. I zoomed in with my one of my cameras. So it might not be big enough. These are actually cucumbers. I'm going to put some trellises. It's an experiment. They weren't too expensive, but I was like, hey, give it a shot. If it doesn't work for cukes and bushes, then bush beans, then I will let my wife put flowers in them or something. But I thought it was a cool idea, and it's worth a shot. I didn't think the buckets were going to work last year, the hydroponics, and it worked pretty well. So anyway, I got all the planning done. I needed to balance and test the pool. My chlorine is really high, so I got to figure that out. And I worked on it. I got 3 airplane cards, all Brazilian airline. Is that right? Varga or Varga? Varig? Oh, all 3 of those. And I'll ship in 1 sleeve. And someone had asked in a comment yesterday how I pack postcards. It's really easy. 6.5 by 4.5. Echo Swift. mailer. You shove them in, you print a ESE, eBay standard envelope label for cards that are over 25 bucks before or after discount. I use a clear top loader and one of the 5x7 eBay cardboard mailers. That's it. That's how easy shipping postcards is. Yeah, really easy. So what else? Yeah, I think probably the biggest thing is I wanted to work in the garage, and I didn't because I got hung up on doing other things. Are they important? Yes. Were they needed to be done right then? No. A couple more airplane cards there. Oh, and he's getting these ones also. That one and that one. But yeah, it just feels like I'm spinning my wheels. I had a great day on eBay, but I worked at that by I've sent a lot of offers yesterday, and again, 40% off offers. I sent another coupon code. So anyway, AP3, all the new members that came over, based on the behind the scenes. Thank you for being here. I think I gained a couple new members off of that. Thank you. Make sure you cancel the membership at any time. I say binge and cancel. Treat it like Netflix. Come back in 6 months if there's new stuff on there. Binge and cancel. So, what else is going on in my life? Someone had made a suggestion of 3D printing some sort of like basket, and I'm not very good at creating stuff. My daughter's the one who does that for me, and so I went through Maker World and see if there's someone had something similar. And there was a like for picking berries, it's a belt attachment, and the first piece printed pretty good. Just had a little bit of an issue, just a little bit of an issue with the second part. So we'll try again. I think it'll be a decent idea. Oh, shipping $18. So we're gonna have to do some refunding there. That's another thing I need to do is under shipping. It it didn't, it charged them shipping on each individual card, and yeah, it shouldn't have. That's on me. So I just refunded $12 or so. Haynes Type C's, if you want to know what that means. I do have a membership where I talk about it. And actually, I think I messed up there. Two are Type D's, I believe. So anyway, decent sales on those cards. AI3. AI3. I have not received any feedback. Well, not feedback, but I've received no messages from international buyers for the increased shipping on airplane cards, because I got rid of Stamp and a Prayer, and yeah, no one's contacted me yet and said, like repeat buyers that say, shipping used to be $250 and now it's $12. So we'll wait and see. I'm sure that's happening. That'll come up. Like I said, on the repeat buyers, I will probably still go with Stamp and a Prayer. New buyers, probably not. I knew there was another one. AI. What is this one? AI1. Which one's this? The school. I have about 500 of these, and I think it's the first one that's sold for $2. Okay, I know I skipped a few. X2. I think just talking about this card the other day, one available. I actually have about 3. I'll wait and waiting up that amount. I just lost my train. Oh, yeah, I think just talking about these cards over the last couple of days made them sell. And one more, AK4. And I've received no update from that. Again, I think he might be a scammer from Miami. It's one of those global shipping places, so I don't know where this person's actually located, unless they actually get their mail at a global shipping thing, which would explain why they waited so long to open that first INAR. It's because I'm sure it said out for delivery. He was thinking it's going to be put in his international mailbox. Why does that feel? It feels a little almost like it was damp. Huh. It's not delaminated, is it? No, not delaminated. Got a whole bunch of them, but they just feel a little off. Anyway, so I'm sure that's what happened. He expected it to be in his next shipment, wherever he lives. I looked at the website for this place, and they ship a lot down into Central and South America. So I'm sure that's what happened. He didn't get it in his forwarded mail. And the second one, it just shows out for delivery. And so who knows? ESE is not going to show delivered anyway. But I don't know. I just don't want to refund the guy. I've mailed two to his address on record. I think it's a his address problem. I know it's only $4, and I'm in the end of the day, I should have just refunded and moved on, and not worried about the issues that this could be causing. But I don't know. I just don't want to give him his money, and because it's not my fault. So anyway, I still might. I don't know what I'm doing with that. Let me do a quick refresh. I think that's it. I'm very scatterbrained today. Hopefully get something. I've accomplished stuff, but it doesn't feel like I've accomplished stuff. I am ready almost for tonight's Keeper Pass game on Whatnot. So tonight is DC edition. I'm doing 75 giveaways, which means I made up 150 packs. Some, let me see, just pulled randomly. No, I spent 15, 20 minutes just mixing these all up. So everybody's going to get a Washington, D.C. card, but on the back end, there's going to be some real photos or other cards. And this just to see if you make it this far and if you're that lucky. But tonight, if you get to pick and I pick this card, keep an eye on that card. Keep an eye out for the jackalopes. So, somewhere in this box. Okay, everybody. Hope to see you tonight. Come win some free stuff. Hope you have a great weekend. Hope you had great sales. And thank you for being here. And thank you all members. And I'll talk to you on Monday or tonight on Whatnot.